When you open the camera and it shows the "We can't find your camera" error on Windows 10/11, in this video I'll fix this issue with proof. Let's get started. Open Settings, then go to Privacy, then go to Camera, and make sure camera access is turned on, and all the toggles under these settings are also turned on. Second, search for camera in the search bar, then go to App Settings, scroll down, and reset the camera settings. Third method. Some laptops have a camera button on the keyboard. You can simply check on Google by typing your laptop model to see if it exists or not. If it does exist, try turning it on. In my case, this method worked. If these methods are not working, try the last method. Search for Device Manager in the search bar, hover over the View option, and select Show Hidden Devices. Then right-click the camera, click Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then tap Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Camera, and simply press Next. Then close it. Lastly, restart your PC. These methods should solve your problem. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.